It's time to get real about oral health.
You know you want a bright, healthy smile. But the fact is, just brushing your teeth is not enough.
Dentists know that brushing alone is not enough. If you just brush, food debris gets left behind. Bacteria feed on that food debris, and that's what causes gum disease and bad breath. The waterpik water flosser cleans away left behind food particles that other devices can't get. In fact, water flossing is actually clinically proven to be up to 50% more effective than string flossing. And it's also clinically proven to remove up to 99.9% of plaque from treated areas. And it doesn't hurt. The waterpik water flosser works. It's been clinically proven. That's why I strongly recommend it to my patients.
This piece of corn with rows of kernels is like your teeth. Brushing really just gets the surface. Same is true on your teeth. An electric toothbrush doesn't do much better. Even sonic toothbrushes fail. But now watch what happens when we use the waterpik water flosser. Look how thoroughly it cleans all the areas brushing and flossing missed. It cleans amazingly well between your teeth. The water flosser is powerful yet gentle at the same time. It feels like a massage in your mouth.
Waterpik water flossing is the modern way to floss. When I'm done, my teeth feel squeaky clean.
If your teeth look great, you feel great.
Our customized tips are perfect for cleaning around braces, implants, and other dental work. With the waterpik water flosser, you can have healthier gums and brighter teeth in just a minute a day. It's a difference people will notice.
Using the waterpik water flosser, I can blast away all that junk that's stuck behind my braces. If you have braces, you have to have a waterpik water flosser.
Get the most out of your smile with the new waterpik water flosser.
We take care of our teeth every day, almost without thinking. But cleaning between teeth can be a challenge. That's why dental professionals advise using Philips Sonicare Air Floss Ultra. Unlike a toothbrush, Air Floss Ultra is an interdental cleaner. It reaches places your toothbrush can't. It takes less than 60 seconds. The triple burst and micro droplet technology cleans away 99.9% of plaque in treated areas for healthier gums. It's quick, it's effective, and it's comfortable. Philips Sonicare Air Floss Ultra. Gum health made easy. Innovation and you. Philips Sonicare.
Introducing the dawning of a new age in oral care. The waterpik Aquarius, the most advanced and effective water flosser ever created. With advanced features and a new sleek design. With on-off water control on the handle for greater ease of use and a mess-free experience. 2 water flossing modes. Floss for the ultimate in interdental cleaning. And new Hydro Pulse Massage for enhanced gum stimulation and circulation. A 1-minute timer and 30-second pacer to ensure thorough cleaning. 7 tips, including all of the specialty tips for braces, implants, and other dental work. And best of all, the Aquarius is backed by 60 clinical research studies and is guaranteed to give you healthier gums in just 14 days or your money back. The new waterpik Aquarius, the easy and more effective way to floss.